In this video, I make a short drive through Findley Road, which is a cut through to either Sargent Rd or Medlock Bridge Road, depending on the direction that you're driving. For this video, I am turning into Findley Road off of Medlock Bridge Road and headed to Sargent Rd. Although Findley Road is a relatively short road, it is significant for three reasons. Number one, it's the road that you take to get to Findley Oaks Elementary School. Number two, the back entrance to Emory Hospital in Johns Creek connects to Findley Road. And finally, number three, there are many nice subdivisions and homes tucked away on Findley Road. So let's get on with it. Enjoy the drive. Here is a Google Map screenshot of my starting and end points of my drive. And this is where I begin my drive. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. While you're at it, take a look at these videos that I've recommended for you, and I'll see you in my next video.